In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner to add an audio file first, and hit Files. To find your file, you can tap on one of those apps, select Audio at the top, or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, tap on your file and wait. If you want to record it and add it, click on this icon at the bottom right corner. Click on this microphone over here. And when you finished, use the same button in the middle to stop. If you want to redo it, hit Restart on the left. And to add it to your message, click Attach on the right. If you want to add a video file, select the same icon of a plus to click on Gallery section, or use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner, and find your video here. Click on it, and as you can see, it was successfully added. Now click on blue button to send it. If you can't find your video, scroll all the way down, click on Folders, look for it here, and when you find it, tap on it. Then hit Add at the bottom right corner and swipe up. If you want to record your video and then add it, select the video option over here. Switch your camera, record your video, and when you end it, it will be automatically added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!